Hey guys, it's the main man himself, DC_Darlin. Let's talk about TypeScript. So, what is TypeScript? As stated on the official TypeScript website, TypeScript simply is a typed superset of JavaScript that compiles to plain JavaScript. This simply means that any valid JavaScript code is valid TypeScript code. Of course, we'll get into this later on, but for now, that's all you need to know. So why waste time learning TypeScript? I mean, JavaScript works now, doesn't it? Well, true. I mean, ES6 has been a lifesaver with all the fresh new features added. However, we cannot downplay how bad JavaScript is when it comes to type checking. You see, JavaScript is dynamically typed, so it has no clue what type a variable is until instantiation occurs at runtime, which is late. TypeScript, on the other hand, doesn't have this limitation. With its type support, errors are seen as soon as you type out your code. In addition to this, it makes tooling so much better. You get linting, code completion, type definitions, and so much more out of the box. It is safe to say that you now have a clue on what TypeScript is. In the next episode, we will install TypeScript.